In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get clients fast on Fiverr. Fiverr is an incredible platform for freelancers, offering an extensive array of services to clients across the globe. Whether you're just starting or looking to boost your client base quickly, these steps will help you navigate Fiverr successfully. First, let's head over to Fiverr, the freelance services marketplace. You'll want to make sure that you are logged in so you can access all the features available to you. If you're not familiar, Fiverr is a platform where freelancers can offer their services to potential clients. It's straightforward and provides a fantastic way for you to showcase your talents to a vast audience. Now, the key to standing out on Fiverr is having an optimized profile. Your profile is essentially your online resume, so it's crucial to present it in the best way possible. Make sure your profile picture is clear and professional, as this is likely the first impression a potential client will have. The description section should be engaging and clearly outline your services, experience, and unique skills. Include any relevant certifications or portfolio pieces that can highlight your proficiency. Next, it's essential to search for your specific niche within Fiverr. By understanding where your skills fit in among current offerings, you can tailor your approach to meet market demands. Take the time to explore how others in your field present their services, what prices they charge, and what clients seem to value the most. Once you've identified your niche, it's time to promote your services. Use keywords that are specific to your offerings and ensure these are included in your gig title and description. A well-crafted gig image is also vital. It should visually communicate the essence of your service. Fiverr's algorithm favors gigs that are active and engaging, so make sure to update your gigs regularly and respond promptly to client inquiries. Beyond Fiverr, expanding your reach to various social media platforms is a highly effective strategy for driving more traffic to your profile. Utilize social channels such as LinkedIn, Instagram, and Twitter to share your Fiverr services. Here you can engage with your audience, share testimonials from past clients, and provide samples of your work. This not only promotes your services, but also builds your brand's credibility. By following these steps, you will position yourself effectively to gain clients quickly on Fiverr. Always remember that continuous improvement and adaptation to market trends are necessary to maintain success in the freelance world. With dedication, a well-optimized profile, and strategic marketing efforts, you'll see your Fiverr client base grow in no time. Thank you for tuning in today, and I wish you all the best on your Fiverr journey.